Welcome to this Redkey USB technical information video. In this session, we'll walk you through the process of updating your Redkey to ensure it operates at peak performance. For this, you'll need a PC running Windows 7 or later, along with a stable internet connection. Keeping your Redkey updated is crucial for accessing the most recent features and enhancements, ensuring your device remains at the forefront of data security. Remember, every Redkey is eligible for free updates throughout its lifetime. This tutorial is designed for devices that have already been activated. Begin by inserting your Redkey into a PC designated for updates. Open your web browser and visit the Redkey USB official website. From there, navigate to the Activate and Update page where you'll find the Redkey Updater app. Download and launch the app. Once the app is open, click on Choose Device, and the app will perform a series of checks. You'll then be prompted to update software. Select the server closest to you for the quickest update experience. The duration of the update process can vary, especially if it's been a while since your last update. After the update completes, click the power icon to exit the app. Make sure to safely eject your Redkey from your PC. Congratulations! Your Redkey is now updated with the latest software, enhancing its functionality and security. Don't forget to check for new updates regularly to keep your device updated. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips and updates.